Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video review. I am the Tech Gooch, and today I'm reviewing another cable for the Apple devices out there. So iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, anything that uses the Lightning connector. This is a cable, actually Cacoy sent it over to me. It's their Shine charger, which basically is a flat Lightning cable with LED illumination within the actual cable itself. It is MFI certified, so it is made for the iPhone, the iPad, the iPods. It's designed specifically for that, meets certification standards, hits the 480 megabit per second transfer rate. Couple neat things about it is when you're charging your phone or your device, it has a nice illumination that actually kind of goes up, kind of shows in the direction flow from the USB port to the Lightning port that is charging your device. Another neat design within it itself is that the illumination actually turns off once your device is charged. So it's one of those things, if you have your phone sitting on wherever it's sitting, end table, whichever, you can actually really tell real quick if it's actually done charging. This cable does enable fast charging, so it does support up to, I think, 2.4 amp charging. So if you want to fast charge charge your tablet or fast charge your phone, this cable is certified to do so as well. Pretty large end here. Obviously, this probably has the electronics to control the lighting, which is why the USB end is larger. Otherwise, on the other side here, pretty standard size end here. Obviously, within any case, with any non-Apple charger, how big this end is and how big your case is obviously is a thing to consider. Not too big at all for the end. It's a basic size end compared to most other cables that I own. So I'm gonna plug it in here. You know what, I think I'm gonna actually turn the lights down, and then that way you can actually see the illumination better. So I'm gonna kind of get it a little bit darker in here, hopefully that I can still see me at least decently. So let's do that first. Okay, so it's a little bit darker in here now. I'm actually going to go ahead and just not have it plugged into my phone yet, but just plug it directly into USB power. And right away you'll see that it actually, you can see that the cord is illuminated, showing you so it's easy to find. And then once I plug it into my device, obviously it went off because it's not charging anything. When I plug it into my device, it'll automatically, you can see how it's actually showing the transfer rate into the phone, right? The phone is obviously charging. And once the device is done, just like it showed before there, when it doesn't actually have current flowing through it, the actual lights themselves turn off. So throw it on your end table at night. It actually is a low enough light that it didn't really bother me in my room at all. But it's kind of like a night light on the edge. Otherwise, I didn't really notice it unless I was looking at it. But obviously in the morning, it was, it'll be gone. It won't be lit up at all, and only it will last as long as the phone is charging. So kind of neat. It's like any of those corded strand lights, right? Obviously showing even direction to show you that it's flowing in to the phone, even going into the end here. So I mean, it's the entire length of the cable has those LED illuminated lights. So kind of cool, to be honest. So yeah, that's what she looks like in the dark. So now we're back in the light. So obviously I'm going to just let my phone charge up. Why not? Get it fully charged again. But it's a pretty neat cable for what it is, and for how much you can get it for is not bad at all. I'll post a link below directly to the cable itself and to other, actually probably just to the Cacoy stuff you can get off of Amazon directly. It's not a whole lot I can say other than it works. It seems like a pretty quality product for the time that I've had it. I've had it myself for a couple weeks now, and I've been using it, and have not noticed anything wrong with it, and it's worked properly. And I use it on my end table for charging at night. If I'm home during midday, if I'm in my room doing whatever, I'll charge it up as well. But it's a pretty solid product. Nice thing is, being a flat cable, unlike those, like the Apple actual cables that can get kind of knotted up and little thing, this is pretty heavy construction. Like any product, obviously you always want to make sure that it has the certification, the made for certification, which coming from China, always you want to keep your eye out, but this does have the certification for that. So it's safe to use on your Apple devices. If you have any other questions or comment, post those below. Subscribe to the channel above. Check us over on Facebook. We're at all the social media at techgooch, otherwise thetechgooch.com. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.